Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view your TikTok watch history. On TikTok, it's actually hard to see or find the video that you've watched before, especially if you didn't like it or you didn't add the video to favorite or you didn't save the video. Most times it's very hard to find such videos. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your TikTok watch history so that you'll be able to see all the videos that you've watched. So guys, if you have this problem and you're finding it hard to look for the video you've watched, to look for your TikTok watch history, especially those videos that you didn't like or you didn't add to favorite or that you didn't share, just make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step you need to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. Sorry for that guys, I had to reduce the volume. So guys, we're going to be having a practical tutorial today, so let me watch some videos, then I will show you how to find those videos that I've watched just now. So guys, let's see. Now I'm watching this one, so let me go to the next video. So guys, this is the second video, just take note of it. This is the second video, I've just watched it. Now let's go to the third one. So guys, this is the third video that I just watched. You can see this is the third video, and this is the fourth video I watched. So guys, if you notice, I didn't actually like any of them. I didn't add any of them to my favorite. I didn't share any of them. I didn't save any of them. So guys, let's say for instance, after watching this video, you left TikTok and you go about other business and you came back to TikTok and you want to find these videos that you just watched. Let me show you guys how you do it. All you have to do is to tap on your search icon at the top right corner, tap on it. So guys, what you have to search for is just dot. Just search for dot, like practical dot. Just tap dot, then you tap on search. So guys, you can see where it is written view your watch history. What you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, it's loading. Wow guys, you can see this is the first video I watched just now. As you can see it, this is the second video I watched. This is so marvelous. You can see it. This is the third video I watched. You can see how easy it is. And this is the fourth video. So guys, you see how easy it is. This is how you can actually find all the videos that you've watched, or your watch history on TikTok. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like this video, comment and subscribe. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.